So India Today TV is on the steamer to show you the ground reality of the flood water around the ghats and the residential areas from here. Firstly, witness the water level and especially the water flow of river Ganga, our Yamuna Maiya out here, which isn't showing any respite to the locals of Vrindavan and Mathura, as the water flow out here seems to be horrifying. The water flow which starts from Delhi and from other areas has come at this particular place, and that's why it has become a quite risky situation out here. The danger level has already been crossed. It's flowing above 50 to 60 centimeter. But if you see the visuals out here, the residential areas, the residences are more than partially submerged. The doors are closed as the Yamuna river has entered inside the premises. Though the tombs are safe, but the entry points aren't. See this particular temple and get the sense of the flood situation out here. The narrow lanes of Mathura have come to an end with the Yamuna water rising day by day. Still, the commuters and the locals out here are coming. The boats, the functioning of these boats have been stopped by the administration, because whenever the flood comes, situation arises. And as we say, that flood doesn't only impact humans but also the animals out here. And you clearly see not just a woman out here, but her pet also seems to be in worry seeing this flood water around. And there's also a loss of trade for these fishermen and also the boatmen, as their business is down with this flood water. No one is allowed to roam around this particular area, which remains evergreen throughout the year. So this is the ground reality. Though Yogi Adityanath has ordered all the ministers to reach at the spot and help the survivors and victims of flood. With cameraman Gaurav and Madan, Samarth Srivastava for India Today. Now India Today TV has reached in the residential area of Mathura, where actual suffering is happening with the water of Yamuna entering the residential areas, leaving the residents out here to use the Jugaad Wali now. And the visuals of Jugaad Wali now, first the visuals of Jugaad Wali now, how this man has made a two-tire now boat with two wooden plies to move across this particular water. He has also used this particular rope. ये किस तरह से बनाई है आपने?
ये मार्केट से ट्यूब लाया था 500 रुपए के, जोर से बना ली. वेरी सिंपल. आई एम हैप्पी. नो प्रॉब्लम.
You are happy
यस.
with this Jugaad Wali now?
यस. हाँ.
Is it working?
वर्किंग. आई एम वर्किंग लेबरिंग.
Okay, you are laboring. Is it beneficial in the flood areas?
सर ये
क्या ये कारगर साबित हो रही है?
यस यस. वेरी सिंपल.
Okay.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
So you can see the residential area out here and the people out here using this particular sticks to ensure that there must not be any drain, risky drain or pothole around, just to ensure themselves, to save themselves. And if you see the visuals of this particular area, as cameraman Gaurav showing, there is an utter silence of crisis happened by the flood water that has come here. And the bigger problem is that water level is still rising, and that's the matter of concern. Though there are residents who have sent their women, children to the safer areas, but are staying indoors to protect their belongings, as theft cases have also been reported in this particular area in the previous year when the flood happened. But see the ground situation out here, where the most of the residents have vacated this particular area, but the situation is grim, and they are also making themselves something to ensure their help by themselves, as administration can't reach everywhere. So they are making their efforts themselves. With cameraman Gaurav and Madan, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.